Simple steps to mining. Step 1. Get yourself a Bitcoin wallet. Step 2. Prepare and calculate your mining rig. Step 3. Connect your mining rig to a client such as CG Miner. You can download CG Miner here for free at github.com/CKOLIVAS/CG or do a search on Google for other miners. Step 4. Configure your mining rig. Note, you can choose to mine Bitcoins or cryptocurrencies. For Bitcoin mining, it is recommended to join Bitcoin mining pools to maximize your mining efforts. For cryptocurrencies, you can connect your miner to services such as middlecoin.com for automated mining and payments in Bitcoin. Another good place to connect your miner to is hashco.ws. Final step, start mining.
Thanks for watching the last chapter of Bitcoin Gold Rush. We know that there is a lot to learn when it comes to the crypto markets. But there is a totally automated way to earn crypto profits with a secret strategy that works fast and profits consistently, whether the market is up or down. Register at the link above for a free online Bitcoin workshop and receive $10 in Bitcoin just for watching and participating. During this free live workshop, we're going to reveal how to use our proven software solution to quickly launch a crypto profit machine in 2024 that makes money every day and runs on total autopilot. How this system makes money whether crypto is going up or down so you can enjoy consistent, predictable profits without any stress or worry. Multiple examples of real campaigns that run silently in the background 24 hours a day and are banking up to $4,000 per week in profit. The secret technology that makes this all possible and how you can get your first profitable campaign up and running in 60 minutes or less. A behind-the-scenes look at our latest campaign, which generated $8,900 in the first 2 weeks and is on track to make over $100,000 this year completely hands-free. Mind-blowing success stories from our most successful students who have used this method to launch life-changing passive income streams. Why anyone can and should do this. You don't need any previous experience or know anything about crypto investing or trading. Plus, all new reveal of our new premium trade alerts with an 84% win rate. Earlier this year, you could have turned $500 into $39,000 just picking tens of our alerts randomly. Register at the link above and see you there. It will change your life.